If you want to set up a Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A36, well, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to our Google tab. There it is near our advanced features. So open up your Google tab, now press all services, and then we gotta find search assistant and voice. Great, let's tap on it. Now find your Google Assistant, open it up, find your voice match, and now we have to calibrate it. So let's activate it and let's go through our calibrated thing. Press more, I agree, press I agree, press next, and press start saving audio, or you can dismiss it. This is not necessary. So to make it work correctly, let's press retrain voice match model. Now we have to repeat the phrases on the screen. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Perfect. Now next. And basically that's it. Now it is activated and let's try. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Current weather in Prague, Czech Republic, is 22 degrees Celsius, with a 46% chance of precipitation. The weather is expected to be sunny today.
Well, that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.